inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 16 nautical miles east of Palm Beach shores, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Riviera Beach, Palm Beach, Jupiter Inlet, High Paluxo, Jupiter Inlet Colony, Juno Beach, Palm Beach Shores, Jupiter, South Palm Beach, Manalapan, Tequesta, North Palm Beach and Ocean Ridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.